These next 3 or 4 days, and everything has been involved to get these two teams here.
Where'd it go? There it go. Get it, Bubba. Get it. Get it. Where'd it go? Where'd the laser light go? Where'd the laser go?
In the last 20 years, I don't know that we've dealt with
Hmm?
more than this, but
Where'd the laser go?
about 32 other states are
There it go. Look. Turn around.
100 million people. Here's the thing.
That's it.
We wouldn't be having this Super Bowl here if it weren't for the fact that we could have it in perfect weather conditions, and that's our state. And we're proud.
You better get it.
So much.
You better get it.
Great condition, and so we're proud to be able to finally get to have a Super Bowl here, and we get to have it because of the facility that, as you mentioned, won't make a difference what's going on outside because of what we have inside.
That's right. $2 billion Cowboys Stadium, as you see. Talk about the record attendance potentially for Super Bowl Sunday. Where will folks be? Because I know we're getting every person possible on the grounds for Super Bowl.
First of all, I say
You gotta get the light.